Coast checkout controls which Coast instance owns your project's canonical ports. When you run Coast checkout agent 0, localhost 3000 will map to agent 0's web server. Localhost 5432 maps to agent 0's database. Every canonical port your project defines now points at that one instance. We can also check out a different Coast from the UI, and the ports will swap immediately. Under the hood, Coast kills and respawns lightweight SOCAT forwarders. No containers are restarted. It's effectively instant. You might not need checkout at all. Every running Coast always has its own dynamic ports. You can run Coast ports agent 0 and see exactly which random port maps to which service. Open that port in your browser and you're in. For a lot of workflows, that's totally sufficient. You can run 5 Coasts at once and access all of them through their dynamic ports without ever checking anything out. But there are use cases where those dynamic ports won't do everything you need. If you have a front-end app on your host machine that's hard-coded to hit localhost 3000, you can't easily change that to some random port every time you switch contexts. Webhooks are another one. Your Stripe and GitHub callbacks are forwarded to localhost 3000 through a tunnel. If the canonical port isn't active for the right Coast, those callbacks can go nowhere. Same story with database tools. If you've got DataGrip or pgadmin saved with a connection to port 5432, checkout lets you swap which Coast is behind that connection without touching your config at all. One final detail is that only one Coast can be checked out at a time. And if you want to release the canonical ports entirely, just run Coast checkout none. Dynamic ports keep working no matter what. Checkout only controls where the canonical ones point. Next, we'll talk about different strategies for managing volumes.